Hey, Garrett Christensen here. Thanks for stopping by to get more details about this video marketing proposal I have for you. I do want to give you the details, but the first thing I want to do is I want to create for you a vision. I want to give you the big picture of what I have in mind for you, and your video is the centerpiece of that, but there's more to it. I want you to have the full picture here of what I can do for you and what the possibilities are for you for establishing yourself online for no upfront cost whatsoever. I make my money only on the flat rate fee that I'll be offering you should you decide to take me up on my offer. I make no money on selling you anything. This is not a sales thing. I'm not involved with selling anything. That's it. I just want you to know that right up front. Before I paint the big picture though, I want you to know something. I personally hand-selected your video. I hand-selected it manually for you to receive this information, and the reason is because you have the right kind of video. There's a lot of videos out there from local businesses that are really lousy, okay? The people don't show up. There's no people showing up in the video. They're just like automated creations of video with some music thrown in and a little bit of audio, a little bit of text, and they're really crappy. And to me, they're like spam. They're like video spam. Okay? I manually hand-selected your video, went online into YouTube and found your video and contacted you because of it, because you have the right video, because you did the right thing by not involving yourself in what I call spam videoing, but rather you had a custom video made. It's a really nice video, and I hope that you take advantage of what I have to offer you, because I can take that video and make it a centerpiece of your entire online presence. So my vision for you is twofold. You already pretty much have a pretty good idea what the first part of the two parts is. The first part is I'll get your video online into Google Page 1. I'll position it. I'll carve out a spot for you in Google, and you do have to have it carved out, okay? Nothing happens in Google by accident, luck, or whim. It's all very much by design. I use a very specific set of strategies and techniques that I'll use to get your video to Google Page 1. That's the first step, okay? If we do well and you get the calls that you want and I offer you the flat rate fee which you accept and you pay me on a weekly basis, it's a weekly basis billing process, okay? Then I will offer you the next step, okay? In other words, if you like it, there's a lot more coming. Here's what it is. I will build an online presence for you. I will brand your business online. I will use your video as the centerpiece of your online brand, okay? And that's really valuable. Video is king right now, absolutely king. You did the right thing by having your video made, and you'll do the right thing by having me get your video online so that the right people can see it. So what I'll do to brand your business online using your video as the centerpiece is that I'll go into Google and I'll grab more than the one spot for your video. I'll grab multiple spots, and each one of these spots will point to your video. I'm going to use a multimedia approach. I'm going to use a lot of different mediums. You're going to have an awful strong online presence. It's going to position you as the authority in your local market, specifically within your niche. And one of the reasons you'll be perceived as the authority in your niche, in your local market for your service category, is because when I can go into Google Page 1 and grab 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, okay, including your video, with your video as the centerpiece, and somebody goes into Google and types in your search term, in your local market, they type in what they're looking for, and you show up in 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, you are automatically perceived as being the #1 authority in your service category in your local market, and it doesn't get any better than that. That is gold.